Hey everyone, welcome back to One More Guru. In this video, I'll show you how to find your old chats in Character AI, also known as your chat history. For this demo, we're using a new account instead of a personal one. There are a few different ways you can locate past conversations. One option is to head into your Content or Settings section and check the archive, in case you previously archived older chats. If your chats aren't archived, you can go directly to the character you want to view history for. Click on that chat, then open the character's profile. You can do this either by tapping the icon next to the chat or by clicking the option in the top right corner. Both take you to the same place. Once you're on the profile page, scroll down until you see the history option. Tap on it, and you'll be able to view all previous interactions you've had with that character. Another simple method is to manually scroll up within the chat, depending on how far back your messages go. Either way, these steps should help you find your old chats in Character AI. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to like and subscribe to One More Guru for more helpful tutorials. That's all for now.